Dear students, welcome to Code Your Electronics with our next class, Class 26. Ironman's rocket blast quickly 3 times using pin D3. Here, pin D3 is creating a flying-like effect by lighting Ironman's hands and legs LED. Let's understand the step-by-step coding for this flying effect. Step 1. Ready my rockets. Pin mode 3 output. This code will make pin D3 ready to glow hands and legs lights, creating flying-like effect. Step 2. Blast off, loop begins. For int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Digital write 3 high. This code will firstly initialize the integer variable I equals to 0, then checks condition whether I is less than 10. If condition holds true, it will turn on the lights connected to pin D3. Then, I++ will increase the value of integer variable I by 1 each time in loop till the condition I less than 10 holds true. Step 3. Fire the boosters. Delay 100. It will hold the flash light till 100 milliseconds or 0.1 second. Means the hands and legs lights will be on till 100 milliseconds. Step 4. Cool down the boosters and hold. Digital write 3 low. This will turn off the LED lights connected to pin D3. Delay 100. It will hold the darkness for 100 milliseconds. Or it will pause for 100 milliseconds before the next blink. Step 5. Prepare for next takeoff. Delay 1000. It will hold the previous code for 1000 milliseconds before the next cycle begins. Thank you for watching and learning amazing coding skills with our content. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share Code Your Electronics. Keep coding, keep growing.